Fremont LEAF's carbon farming story, presented by Stop Waste.
During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release some carbon from their roots to be stored in the soil among bacteria and fungi.
We can use this relationship between plants, soil organisms, and carbon to remove excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and reverse climate change.
Fremont LEAF uses carbon farming practices like compost and mulch, encouraging healthy plants to store even more carbon in their soil.
Through soil testing, Stop Waste tracked changes in carbon at 3 different depths of Fremont LEAF soil as they continued to use compost and mulch.
The percentage of carbon in the soil increased every year, including in the deeper layers of their soil. This is where carbon really belongs.
The best part is that carbon in the soil becomes organic matter, which is vital to soil health. Fremont LEAF is helping reverse climate change while building healthy soil at the same time.
Thank you, Fremont LEAF, for allowing us to partner with you on your carbon farming journey.